Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I water my garden. This is the view of my garden I see the most often. As you could probably figure out, I live on the second floor. So because I live upstairs, I have a bucket here, old mop pail, that I get to fill and carry downstairs to water my plants. So this is what my life has become. And that's it, we're done. I'll see you in a second. We'll take it downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna go and get the water now. I am gonna say this, if nothing else, I'm curious to see how defined my arms and abs get from carrying that water up and down the stairs twice a day. Let's get to it. Hey guys, I was just getting back from my walk and I wanted to talk about this purple shiso. I think that's how it's pronounced. This one and the other one that I have on the other end of the curve are the ones that are really soaking up the most water. I have to pay attention to them throughout the day to make sure they're not drooping over. So they're the only ones that are a little high maintenance right now. The other ones I have to watch are the cone flowers also, because I noticed those are drying out quicker. Otherwise, the other ones don't even seem to be affected by the heat. We've had no rain since at least 4 days now, and it's been in the 90s. So I'm hoping we'll get some today so I don't have to walk up and down the stairs with that bucket again.